welcome to another edition of Hanging Out with Harsaj. Today we're going to be trying to live like Will Tennyson for 24 hours, so let's get started.
Almost forgot my mask. Wear your mask, people.
Our first cup out of many. My man Will is a walkaholic. This man loves to walk around 5,000 to 7,000 steps while he gets his first cup of coffee. As you can see, we're around 6,000 steps in. If you can't see that, you just have to take my word for it. Will obviously likes his coffee black. I'm more of a, if you go brown, all the other colors let you down kind of guy. I usually like to add a little bit of milk, but this would suffice for today. Unlike Will, I'm a sleep tired, wake up tired kind of guy. I don't know if this is the double shot talking, but I feel refreshed after this walk. And now we'll work until we feel hungry, and then we'll make some breakfast. So I'll see you then. Okay, so it's breakfast time and we'll be cooking Will's famous quiches. Now my man likes to do something what we call in the fitness industry as macro fasting, where he only has protein and fats for breakfast. So we'll be doing a Mexican spin on his quiches. What makes this quiche Mexican is we'll be adding Fun and Foods salsa. This, for 100 grams, it has only 76 calories. I'm not that good at math, but we'll be using 20 grams worth of it. So you can imagine how less the calories of this one's gonna be. On top of that, we'll also be adding a little bit of cumin powder as well as salt and pepper. These two things will actually give it the Mexican fire that we're looking for. Our breakfast aka wonderful quiches are ready. I'm gonna pair this up with my second cup of coffee. If we're not caffeinated enough, I'm also gonna be having pre-workout after this and head over to the gym once this settles in. So I'll see you there. Yo, we finna pulled up in the gym right now. Usually Will likes to do his cardio session at this point of time, but even if you're lasting for a round, doing cardio 3 times a day is a bit much, my guy. No wonder my man's so saucy and ripped. I thought the gym's gonna be emptier right now, so I might as well do my weights right now and do cardio later. Will usually like to keep around 3 to 4 hours of difference between his weights and his cardio session. He does not like to mix them up. This is gonna be the shoulder and bicep workout that we're gonna follow. Although I'm just gonna do shoulders, maybe a little bit of triceps because I just did biceps yesterday. I'm pretty stoked to try some static sets because that's not how I usually train. Fun pro tip, every form of training work, as long as you're achieving progressive overload and you're enjoying yourself, that's the most optimal way of training. Also, like a little life update, I've been suffering from a little bit of back injury and I've been on bed rest for the past 2 weeks. After my doctor's permission, I'm here in the gym today just for you, Will, if you're watching this. If not, I'm here for you guys, my subscribers. Anyways, I'm gonna be taking things a little easier today. Excuse for the lack of weights. Definitely worked up an appetite after that insane workout. My shoulders are more sore than saucy at this point of time. Shout out to my man Pankaj sir for helping me shoot today after my debate with the management. Overall, a solid routine and a solid workout. Although it's going to be really fun for me to make Will's recipes, I think it's going to be much more fun if I make something new inspired by him. So we're going to be making a spicy pineapple chicken sandwich. For this sandwich, we'll be needing around 100 grams of chicken as well as the Samyang extremely spicy chicken flavored sauce. If you haven't seen my previous video, definitely check that out. I have some wild memories with this beauty. Our lunch is here. Trust me when I say this sandwich breaks all the OYOY ratings there are. This is going to be absolutely amazing, especially if you love pineapple and Greek yogurt and a little hint of spice. To accompany my sandwich, I'm having chicken broth. Although it's not traditionally a chicken broth, I'm just drinking the water that I used to boil this chicken, which I'm going to presume is going to yield similar benefits to whatever Will drinks. I'm going to finish up my lunch, edit a bit, and then I'll see you for our next workout session. Alright, it's that time again where we perform another cardio session. So we'll be doing 20 minutes of HIIT Orange Theory. Will likes to get a quickie any opportunity he gets. So we'll be doing a 20-minute total HIIT workout. I'll have the link of the exact workout that I'm performing. So if you guys want to follow along, you can do that as well. So without further ado, let's get Orange Theoried. I'm definitely not as fit as I thought I am. Is it just me, or does someone else also find the people in Orange Theory incredibly creepy when they smile while doing exercises? Anyways, now it's time for dinner, so I'll see you then. Alright guys, welcome to the first edition, what I'm calling Will It. I know every night is pizza night, but I just love Will's falafels. So I thought maybe we combine the both. And I know for a fact that Will is not afraid of experimentation, even if it's outside the bed. So we'll be giving this falafel pizza a shot. I think the hunk curd, which is resembling the ricotta cheese, is going to be really good. I also used 50% Greek yogurt and 50% of the hummus for the base to save up on some calories. I think the addition on cheese on this falafel and pita base thing is great. So will it work? Yes, you should definitely give it a shot. I'll have the recipe in the description below if you want to give it a try. I'm just going to finish up this pizza, after which we'll have a little low calorie dessert with my mom. Guys, here's our dozen of donuts. Although I have strong opinions against square donuts, today we'll do the ultimate donut show-off, where we compare Krispy Kreme's 12 of the most bestseller donuts. Although we don't have a Tim Hortons in India, we do have a supportive mom. So please welcome my mom, who's going to be joining me for this ultimate donut showdown. Hello mom, welcome to my channel.
Hi everyone.
Okay mom, so we are trying 12 of the best donuts at Krispy Kreme.
Wow.
What do you think about donuts in general? What are your thoughts?
Donuts, they're creamy, they're full of fat.
Creamy, they're fat.
I'm not a donut person.
You're not a donut person, so what is your favorite dessert? So am I. I'm not a donut person, guys, but this is for Will Tennyson. So we have to find out which is the best donut that is served in India.
Yeah, I don't like donuts too much, but I'm just tasting for my son. When we used to have birthday parties, we used to get donuts for the kids. I like Indian desserts, desi ones more.
Okay, we get it. Okay, we'll try the non-plastic surgeon one, the original glaze one. We do not have Boston creams in India, so I ordered every chocolate donut they had. So we'll see which one's the best.
I prefer this red velvet donut also.
Red velvet is actually the best sellers that they have. So we'll be rating all these donuts on a scale of 1 to 100. So let's get started.
1 to 100?
Yeah, you rate them how much do you like them on a scale of 1 to 100. Okay mom, you can have the first bite.
This is the plain one?
This is the plain glaze one. I thought we will cheers, but kind of becoming a donut person after this.
Nice.
How much would you give it?
50.
50, right in the middle.
Yeah, actually.
This is not too sweet.
Side.
It's not too sweet. I'll give it an 80.
Oh, really?
Because
you like so much.
Because
but other ones are looking more tempting. Let's taste that.
So we are going to be trying this one. I think this is the eclair. I think mom, you're right. See, it's custard filled.
Yeah, it's custard one. That's not an eclair one. It's a custard filling chocolate donut. Nice.
I don't like the custard part. 67.
55.
You like it better than the original one.
Yeah. Let me try this bread.
We'll put the red velvet. I think this is going to be the best one, so we'll put it for the last.
Okay.
You want to try the mango one?
Yeah, let's try. Give me a small piece, don't give me a big piece.
I'm sorry mom, we only have things big here. As you can see, the mango gushing out. It's like egg yolk. Too sweet. 31.
20.
20. Itna bura bhi nahi hai. I think this one's a caramel delight or something. This has caramel inside.
It's nice. Better than the previous one.
Yeah, definitely way better. So far, I think the original one was the best.
Right. But I think I would go for another one also. Maybe if I compare, the original one was the best.
Original. So you would want to change your rating?
Yeah.
How much would you give the original one?
60.
Okay, that's not a lot of improvement. I'm still having the aftertaste of the mangoes. It is not the pleasant one.
No, that's not a pleasant.
Okay, let's change the flavor.
This is what?
I have no idea, but I think this is something rainbow. You can take out how much you want.
I'm done.
Clearly, we don't have similar appetites. Biggest first world problem: eating too many donuts. I think all of our appetite goes on Papa.
I think this goes on similar.
With the first one, I like this, but I think I would still stick with the OG.
30. It's better than the mango one, but still.
There's hardly any consistency in your rating. I would give this a 70. This one's blueberry filled. You don't seem that stoked.
But I want a small piece of it. I can't have more to taste many of them.
12 to be exact. I wanted to order 24, but the sun here, so have to agree. I think this one will be a nice break from whatever we've eaten so far. It's like a muffin. Okay, not overly sweet,
but it's fine.
Quite nice. 69.
This you can have.
So how much are you rating this?
60.
Let's go for the Oreo one.
Let's have another audience or another person to help you out. You can count Papa also in it.
Mom, this is full day of eating with Will Dennison. Once Will shows his dad, then I'll show my dad. I don't like the custard part. I think the custard part is too bare.
Oh, 40-50. There's no wow on it.
I would give this right in the middle, 50. Wanna go for the chocolate cream-filled, cream delight chocolate glazed donut?
I'm already done. Actually, you only taste and decide.
This one is actually the best so far. It's filled up really well as well. 89. The one that resembles the Boston cream the most is the best so far. What a shocker. How much? Guys, I bear some extremely sad news. Nothing got recorded. We rated which one's the best donuts. I'll still have the rating, but Mom, do you have any thoughts on the idiocy that was done right now?
It was fun. I really enjoyed. But I'm really feeling very sad that it didn't get recorded. It's really looking forward to see the video, but I couldn't see anything. So I just had more and more of calories with no...
Without any payoff. My mom just had a sugar rush. Guys, that's life sometimes. That just happens sometimes. So you can't really do anything about it. You just have to move past it. Look on the brighter side of things. Although I'd be really interested if he sees this video, what would his reaction be? Has this ever happened to you? I'm really furious as well as disgusted. Mom, but how would you rate the experience on my channel so far?
What do you want to say?
How you just told me whatever you told me in Punjabi. मैं मार दांगी घर तो निकाल दांगी.
नहीं मैंने थप्पड़ मारूंगी. I have eaten so much of donuts and this video is not there. That's really bad on your part.
This video clearly had some ups and downs. I hope you enjoyed it so far. Make sure you share it with your friends so Will actually has an opportunity to see this video. Anyways, I am quite exhausted. This has been a wonderful day. Anyways, Will, if you're watching this, you've been a great inspiration to this channel and towards me. Anyways, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.